Presiden langba jong NPP Meghalaya State Dr WR Kharlukhi ong ba ka jingkynnoh ke kongres ba ke NPP kadai ke parti suri snieh langbrot tang namar ba ka don lang ha ka NDA bayalam da ke BJP kadai ke jingkren kulat jongka namar ba hialdi ke asyarem dot habaro ke election nadu election MLA haru election MDC bat kumjuru hakane election MP kan syarem Cisendon hakane ke jela Meghalaya. Dr WR Kharlukhi wala kamro bak kongres hadin ke aflai tarik ujemang banwan badai ke senginyau but kan syarem haka jela Meghalaya abat ke jingpok snieh jongka banwan biang haka bor hakane ke jela kan langkum bapok snieh hakiri jongka rngai.
We are always part of NDA, and I hope all of you will agree with me, because I used to have press conference every now and then, even before the district council election, even before the MP election. I am always clear in our stand that we are part of NDA, which means the BJP-led alliance. And to make things more clear, so that those who are giving misinformation to the people, they will know the facts. I want them to know certain facts. Well, on the 29th of January 2019, a meeting of all regional parties of the Northeast was held in Kyntait under the chairmanship of Sri Conrad K. Sangma, who was the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and who is also the National President of NPP, in which a decision was arrived at to oppose the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Then, on the 9th of February 2019, the National General Council of the NPP was held in Shillong, in which the party decided that if the CAB is passed, in the Rajya Sabha, the party will withdraw from the NDA. We are very clear on this, and I think after the meeting, our leader, National President, who is the CM, has met the press. Which means NDA means the BJP-led alliance. Since the BJP did not introduce the CAB in the Rajya Sabha, NPP still remain till date part of NDA. So there is nothing of what we are hiding, or there is nothing like, I don't know on what information that, I don't know whether he's a spokesman or not, who said in Khasi snieh langbrot or something like that. And this, to me, this is nothing but a political lie. I want to make it very clear. It is a political lie. And this same political lie was spread by the Congress during the district council election. But the people have given them resounding reply, in which they lost miserably in Khas Hills and they were disseminated in Jait Hills. This was they keep on using this against the NPP. And at the same time, they thought that they could take the people for a ride. But the people give them a different reply. I am very confident that the people will give them a befitting reply on the 23rd of May, and they will realize that spreading lies will not help them. A loss in the Lok Sabha election will see the end of Congress in Meghalaya. I pity the Congress. Losing every election from 2018 onwards, this seems to be the last straw that they are grasping at. After 23rd May, they will also realize that their dreams of coming back to power in Meghalaya is going to be a distant dream. So this is the clarification that I want to make on the news that came up from the Congress about saying that we disguise our relationship with the BJP. We never disguise our relationship with them. It's not like them.